I'm working on the exhibit To Infrared and Beyond with Herschel. My name is Ashley Hyde. I'm a PhD student at Imperial College London, and I'm looking at star formation in faraway galaxies using the Herschel Space Telescope. I first got interested in physics when I was in middle school. I watched a documentary called The Elegant Universe by Brian Greene, which was about string theory. And I sat down at the beginning of that documentary and I didn't think much of physics at that point. And by the end of the hour, I turned off the TV and I said to my mum, I'm going to study physics. I'd say the most exciting or strange experience I've had while I've been doing astronomy is when I did a summer internship with NASA at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory in California. And I guess it was more of an issue of the place I was working rather than what I was working on. So it's quite near mountains, and one day when I was in my office, my supervisor walked in and he said, Ashley, have you had any training with rattlesnakes? And I said, no. And he said, okay, well, not to worry, but one has been seen on site somewhere. So if you go outside and you see it, just back away slowly, but don't panic. And I didn't meet it, but pretty soon afterwards, we also got a warning about mountain lions in the car park. So astronomy takes you to some very interesting places. I think the most important thing still to be developed, at least from my perspective, has got to be Google's next step, which is definitely a search function for the brain. So your subconscious, when it sees something, it remembers it forever, even if you can't recall it. So when you can't remember where your car keys are, your subconscious knows, but you just can't remember the information directly. So if we had Google for the subconscious, I think that would solve a lot of the world's problems.